I've been selling on Depop for about a year, so obviously when you're selling, you're gonna need to source new items from different places, and you're not gonna be always be able to find something at the thrift store or Ross or Marshalls or something like that. So Depop is a really good place where I've found being able to source new items, and I just got a package from a Depop seller, so I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I'll show the page of where I bought this from. Obviously they have really nice packaging, so that's a really good bonus. It's good to get 5-star reviews if you have a better packaged item. This is really cool. So see, they wrapped it up really nicely, and they left a note. They used some type of like rope, which is pretty cool. Just gonna undo it. So this is a t-shirt I got. I thought it was really cool. It's a Nickelodeon t-shirt. It has like a bunch of old Nickelodeon characters on it. I was a big Nick fan when I was a kid, so I thought it was pretty cool. I got a good deal on it. And you see most Depop sellers will leave you like a thank you note, which is pretty cool. Something that you don't get if you buy from like most retailers. So it's cool. They leave me a personalized note. So I definitely recommend doing that too. If you're a Depop seller, you want to leave personalized notes. It definitely helps to get a lot more better reviews.